What is up, YouTube? Dylan Pearson here, and in this video I'm going to discuss why I stopped making solely related Shopify videos and really why you shouldn't be watching Shopify related videos anymore on YouTube. It might sound crazy, but I think my mindset behind this is going to clearly explain to you all why it makes sense and maybe where you're going down the wrong path on your route to full-time entrepreneurship or just as good side income. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Super happy to have you here. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on as I drop a video just like this one a minimum of 2 times per week. I usually go really in depth with tutorials and analytics and really show you how to set stuff up. But in this video, it's a little bit different. I think it's still going to drive a ton of value though. So let's just get right into it. Why did I stop making Shopify related videos? This is my mindset. Let's take a look at the opportunities with Shopify videos versus Facebook ad videos. And this right here should also sum up where you should be placing your focus in terms of what you're learning, what you're reading, what you're watching, and what you're trying and implementing, what you're investing your money in. So, Shopify versus Facebook ads. Let's see what the opportunities are with each. So, let's say you become an expert with Shopify. What can you do with that? You can create an online store, which is a website. You know how to click on the App Store button and hit install plugin. That's about all I got. I sat here for a good 10 minutes, 15 minutes trying to come up with more items, and I couldn't. And the reason being is Shopify is just a platform, and this is where a lot of people go wrong. Not everyone, but I know I did too when I initially started out. I thought I could just put up a store, add a product, add a cool theme, install some cool plugins like reviews and these little sticky carts and countdown timers, and then it would work. But what I realized is there was a huge missing piece, and that was marketing. So now let's look at the opportunities with Facebook ads. You become an expert in Facebook ads, which is essentially becoming an expert in marketing, funnels, lifetime value, conversion optimization. So you have this skill set. What opportunities are presenting themselves now? E-commerce. You could launch your Shopify store. You could launch an Amazon brand. You could start an advertising agency. You could do affiliate marketing. You could create a personal brand and drive traffic to your personal brand. You could, if you're invested in real estate, you can get real estate investors and buyers. And this list might sound overboard, but this is literally what I do. This is all of the opportunities that have presented themselves and I've taken action on. So I Shopify, since 2019, I've driven over $650,000 in revenue solely on the Shopify platform. Amazon, I'm launching my new Amazon brand here in the next month. I own an advertising agency with 6 clients on 3-month-long contracts. I do affiliate marketing, not as much as other stuff, but I still do it. And then this is my personal brand, which is what you're watching right now. And what is crazy is I don't sell a course or anything like that. But this value, these videos that I make, knowing how to drive views and whatnot like that and just give value has actually turned itself into income through my other outlets. So for example, a couple of my clients have come to me from watching these videos, and personal branding, just essentially like understanding how to create good thumbnails, good titles, because that's marketing. Real estate, I don't own any real estate yet. That's definitely something I'm going to get into, but I am advertising for some real estate owners. So these are essentially the opportunities that will present themselves if you learn Facebook ads through the videos that I create. So I think this mindset that I have should help you out and understand not only why I focus on what I do on this channel and the value that I'm trying to bring, but also where you might be going wrong. If most of the content that you're consuming and trying is related in this column, the Shopify column, you might want to switch it over to more content in this other column. Shopify is essentially just creating a website. You could use WooCommerce. You could use anything, because all you need is a page where you can enter copy, a headline, images, and a buy button, and customers can check out. And it will act the same as Shopify. Plugins don't do anything. Like, they might help out a little bit, but like learning all these different Shopify themes and stuff, it's not what drives the value. And I've been in ecom for about 4 years now, specifically with Shopify. I did Amazon first, but what I saw the value was actually when I learned marketing. My revenue and income just went 100x versus when I was just focusing on Shopify. I was not finding success with Shopify because I didn't understand the other stuff in the other column. And not only that, but if you have a Shopify store or just an e-commerce brand, and let's say it falls off and you're doing that full time, or that's a huge side income that you're relying on, what are you going to do once that happens? It's going to be tough to, get anything else going. But if you have this knowledge of Facebook ads, not only do you most likely have all these different sources of revenue and income set up, but if you don't, it's very quick to get it going, because if you have a skill set of marketing and creating funnels and Facebook ads, there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of people out there that need your services, and you just got to put it in front of them and it works. So this is my mindset behind this. I want this channel to actually bring value to everyone. I want you all to have the opportunity that I've finally created for myself, where I quit my full-time job as a software developer, and I do what I want on a daily basis. I have clients that I'm building relationships with. I'm launching new brands every day. I'm working on my personal brand, and honestly, life is great. Living this lifestyle it's definitely different because you are self-reliant, but there's just so much more opportunity out there, and you're not sitting at a desk all day and not enjoying your job. So that's not to say I didn't enjoy my last job. I definitely did, but working for myself is just a completely different level of happiness. So that's what I'm trying to bring to you all, and I hope that makes sense. So for those of you that were reaching out and asking why I wasn't doing any Shopify strictly related videos, this is why. I think there's more value in the other topics, and I don't think they're covered enough on YouTube. I think YouTube is very oversaturated and repetitive, with people just taking information from the initial videos that were released a few years ago on how to create a Shopify store and then regurgitating it. And I think it's just overdone. So with that said, I have a Facebook ads group on Facebook, and in there, it's just essentially a discussion between all my subscribers and myself, where we're talking about strategies, what I'm doing that's working, what they're doing that's working. So click the link in the description, join up on that. It's like a 2-form application. Just, are you advertising on Facebook? Yes or no. Number 2, are you going to provide value to the group? And you'll get accepted. So join up on that. Let's discuss. Let's keep building relationships with one another, and let's all take advantage of the opportunity that is marketing and Facebook ads, because that section right there is going to be able to create a life and a lifestyle that you desire. So that really sums up this video. I know it wasn't my usual in-depth tutorial video, but I really wanted to clarify what I'm doing with this channel, and also I think this is a good clarification of where everyone should be placing their focus. If you're focusing on the Shopify section, and it's not working, or it's kind of working, put it aside. Spend the next month or two really focusing on the Facebook ads section, and what you're going to see is a complete reversal of the path that you were on, and it's going to be great. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't, please hit the like button. It's always greatly appreciated. And let me know in the comments, which one of these business aspects with marketing do you want me to focus on? If you want me to continue with e-commerce, sounds good. If you want me to show you how to build out an advertising agency like I did, I can show you, or anything else. Just let me know in the comments right now, and I will act on it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Dylan out.